What's up, Marla fans? You might recall that the last flat towing test resulted in a bit of clattering noise back here. And I think for the last test of flat towing, I am going to pull the drive shaft off. Cars and Coffee is happening in LA, and I want to try to make it. So I'm going to detach the drive shaft. Now, a long time ago when I had planned on doing this originally, I had marked off the drive shaft with what side and what direction and aligned it with the rear yoke, and there's one up at the front yoke as well. I want to make sure everything goes back the same way, so I'm told that for balancing and stuff, you want to make sure that's kind of all back where it was. So I had marked all this stuff off, the front's the same way. So yeah, let's get into it. Well, there you have it. Got this end off. You can see that even after I've rubbed a little bit of the grease off there, there's some pretty knurled bits there. So these U-joints are definitely done. But that's okay, because I have long been putting off swapping the U-joints. So I got 4 of these baddies, and man, I hope they fit. All right, everything's tied up. We are attached and ready to go.